Hello, my friends. So I'm taking a ride today. I'm on a mission. Roll that intro and we'll get into it. What's up, biker bro? So I am on my way to Best Buy. I love Best Buy. Best Buy's a fun store. I love electronic shit. I'm not good at electronic shit, but I love electronic shit. So I am on my way to Best Buy to pick up a new headset. So I am a gamer. Not a great gamer, but a gamer nonetheless. And I am generally a PlayStation fan. So I haven't had much luck finding a PlayStation 5 though. I've been searching. Not real hard, but I've been looking here and there. Well, we were out one night and I noticed they had one of the new Xboxes. So I wound up buying a new Xbox. And while I am a PlayStation guy, I have had a 360 before, Xbox 360. So I got the Xbox One S, because eventually I will be spending the money on a PlayStation 5 if I can find one ever, because everybody's out of stock. So I got the new Call of Duty game, Modern Warfare 2, I believe it is, even though they already did a Modern Warfare 2. But to be able to play with my friends, be able to play with people I know, I need a headset to talk to them. So I'm on my way to Best Buy to get one. Now, I don't know, if I'm going to get, a real expensive one. I don't know. I'm a cheap fuck, so probably not anything that expensive. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So if anybody if there's any other gamers out there that follow my channel, and you play Call of Duties or anything like that, let me know, because nowadays Call of Duty's cross-platform. So you can play with people on other platforms. So if you got a PlayStation or you got a computer, I can still play with you, because the people I know that I play with, they're all on PlayStations. And so yeah, so if you play, let me know. I'll have to hook something up, figure something out, and maybe do a little gaming together. I've actually done one live stream while playing one of the older Call of Duties before. So yeah, it was a while back though. Yeah, and that was just like a 5 minute thing, screwing around. Just wanted to try it out. Hey, music's still loud. Yeah, let's try not to get killed in this shopping center area, because all these people are fucking dumb and don't know how to drive. So let's avoid getting run over. All right, gonna head into Best Buy. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what I wound up getting. The Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. And then I got a battery, rechargeable battery for the Xbox controller, because, the one thing bad about the Xbox is, it doesn't come with a rechargeable controller. So yeah, kind and you game online. Yo, he's up top. He's up top. Yeah. Get him. Get him now. Ah, oh, damn. He got me. Oh, hey guys. Yeah, guys, let me get back to you in a little bit. All right. Hey guys, what's up? So, my Best Buy video, on my way to Best Buy. I was doing an outro on my camera. It just died and ran out of battery. I suck at this motovlogging thing. Don't keep fresh batteries with me. So, I picked up the Turtle Beach, like I showed you, and it's working out well. But, just wanted to say, if any of you guys are gamers out there, hit me up, let me know. I'm not that good. I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 currently, and I am on the Xbox platform. So, let me know. Maybe we can get a game together. Alright guys, so until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Keep on killing those motherfuckers. Peace.